How to bypass censorship with Tor Browser 10.5 on Windows. Visit www.torproject.org. If your country blocks the Tor project website, send an email to gettor@torproject.org. In the body of the email, write the name of your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After a few minutes, you'll get an email back giving you alternative download links. We'll demonstrate the download process using the Tor project website. Click Download Tor Browser. For a choice of languages, click Download in another language or platform. On a modern computer, download the 64-bit executable for Windows. Before running the download, check the digital signature. Right-click on the file. Select Properties. Select Digital Signatures. Check the signature belongs to the Tor project. Now you've verified the download, run the Tor browser executable. The first screen that appears is called the Tor launcher. If your internet is uncensored or weakly censored, you can connect directly to the Tor network. In countries with strong censorship, you must reconfigure Tor network settings. We are going to use a bridge to bypass censorship. Bridges help you access the Tor network in places where Tor is blocked. Depending on where you are, one bridge may work better than another. Check the box to say you are going to use a bridge. There are three kinds of bridges: OBFS4, Meek Azure, and Snowflake. OBFS4 bridges are the fastest. Meek Azure are slower, but may work where OBFS4 bridges are blocked. They use a technique called domain fronting. Snowflake is new, and uses volunteers' computers as entry points to the Tor network. We'll demonstrate OBFS4 bridges. They scramble your traffic so that there is no recognizable pattern to it. This impedes deep packet inspection. There are various ways to get OBFS4 bridges. Some OBFS4 bridges are built into Tor. You do not need to do anything special to use these. You can request additional OBFS for bridges from within Tor Browser. This feature is called Moat. The bridge lines are retrieved for you. You can also provide OBFS for bridges you know. These can be public or private bridges. You can read the procedure for obtaining public OBFS for bridges by visiting bridges.torproject.org. If the Tor project website is blocked in your country, send an email from a Gmail or RiseUp account to bridges@torproject.org. Leave the email subject blank, and write Get Transport OBFS 4 in the email message body. If you obtain bridge lines outside of Tor Browser, whether public or private, you must manually paste them into Tor Browser. When you've specified your bridge option, press the Connect button at the top of the page. Wait while Tor Browser bootstraps. You can see the progress bar move from left to right. When Tor is connected, visit check.torproject.org.